So in a given problem, he has given a transfer function of an LTI system and also has given the input, and he is asking if the output is sampled at omega radians per second, obtain the final output. So the given system is h of s, and since he has given x of t, I can also find out x of s. So output at any input y of s is nothing but x of s into h of s, right? So first I'll see h of and x of s values. So if you see here, h of s, the h of s is given as s square plus 4 pi s square plus 4s plus 4. If you see the signal, first I'll convert this one in terms of omega. So this will become h of j omega is equal to j omega whole square plus 4 pi j omega whole square plus 4 into j omega plus 4. So this will become minus omega square plus 4 pi minus omega square plus j into 4 omega plus 4. So if you see the signal, this value equal to 0 at omega equal to 2. So if omega equal to 2, the frequency equal to omega to 2, its value is 0. Similarly, I'll see x of t. X of t is given as cos of 2t plus 1. So x of s is nothing but, this will become s by s square plus 4. So this signal, if you convert this one into the omega, this will become j omega by j omega whole square plus 4. So this signal will be 0 if omega is not equal to 2. Now I want to find out the output. So y of s equal to x of s into h of s. So I'll divide this one into two parts. One is if omega equal to 2 and if omega is not equal to 2. So this is equal to 0 into h of s, where omega is not equal to 2. So its value is 0 at omega is not equal to 2. And similarly y of s, this is equal to x of s into h of s is 0 at omega equal to 2. So this is if omega equal to 2. So this is equal to 0. So that means its value is always 0 at any value of omega. So for the answer, we'll see the options. So if you see here, option A, y of k is 0 for all the sampling frequency omega s. So answer is option A.